Hi everyone. Welcome back to AI Finance Buddy, your friendly guide to mastering personal finance. We make finance simple, fun, and accessible for everyone, whether you're saving for a goal, staying updated on market trends, or looking for smart ways to grow your money. Here, you'll find the latest financial news explained, practical tips to manage your budget, and easy to follow trading suggestions. We also believe in empowering you with financial education, offering quick lessons and relatable examples to help you understand how money works. Let's dive into today's highlights and take the next step on your financial journey together. Chapter 1, Today's Market News. First up, Google just dropped another $1 billion into Anthropic, an AI startup that's like its cool rival in the tech world. Think of it as Google trying to level up in a video game where everyone's racing to be the best at artificial intelligence. This move shows they're serious about staying on top in the AI game. For trading suggestions on Google, the company is making significant strides in the AI sector with its recent investments, positioning itself well for future growth despite facing stiff competition. The company's strong financial foundation and market leadership suggest a positive outlook. The score is 85 out of 100. Next, Netflix's stock shot up over 13% after they announced some awesome news. They gained tons of new subscribers and made more money than expected in the fourth quarter of 2024. It's like they just dropped a blockbuster movie that everyone wants to see. People are loving their new content, and the ad-supported option is really catching on. For trading suggestions on Netflix, the company is riding a wave of strong subscriber growth and impressive content performance, positioning itself well for future expansion. The recent surge in stock price reflects this positive momentum, making it a compelling option for investors looking for growth in the streaming sector. The score is 85 out of 100. Now, Apple's stock got a downgrade, which is like getting a bad grade on a test. Analysts are worried because iPhone sales aren't as strong as they hoped, and they're not keeping up with AI trends. This news made Apple's shares drop more than 2%. It's a tough time for the tech giant, and they need to step up their game. For trading suggestions on Apple, the company is facing challenges with declining iPhone sales and slow adoption of new technologies, which may impact its growth. However, its strong brand and loyal customer base provide some resilience. Investors should be cautious in the short term but can consider long-term potential if the company adapts effectively. The score is 45 out of 100. Overall, the market is showing mixed signals with strong growth in companies like Google and Netflix, while Apple faces challenges that could affect its future performance. Chapter 2, Simple Finance Terms Explained. Let's break down some simple finance terms. A stop-loss order is a request to sell a stock if its price falls to a specific level, helping you avoid bigger losses. The Nasdaq is an online stock market known for trading shares of many tech companies, like Apple. Amex is a smaller stock market in the US that focuses on newer and growing companies. A dividend is a payment made by a company to its shareholders, like a reward for owning their stock. The price-to-book ratio compares a company's current stock price to its book value, which is what the company is worth on paper. Chapter 3, Top Stock Pick of the Day. Today, let's talk about why Alphabet Incorporated, Google, the parent company of Google, is a great investment choice right now. First off, Google is financially strong. It has very little debt, which means it doesn't owe much money compared to what it owns. This is a good sign because it shows the company can handle its finances well. Plus, it makes a lot of money from its investments, which is great for growth. Google is also a leader in digital advertising and cloud services, two areas that are expected to keep growing. This means there's a good chance the company will continue to do well in the future. However, it's important to remember that investing always comes with risks. For Google, potential challenges could come from changes in the tech industry or economic downturns that might affect advertising spending. Overall, with its strong financial health and market position, Google looks like a solid pick for the next year or so. Chapter 4, Core Long-Term Strategy with ETF. Imagine you want to taste a variety of delicious dishes from around the world without cooking them all yourself. That's what ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, do for investing. They bundle together a collection of stocks, making it easy to invest in many companies at once. Now, think of the MSCI World Index as a global menu, representing companies from 23 countries. By investing in it, you can enjoy a diverse mix of global opportunities, helping your money grow over time. Recently, some insiders at MSCI Incorporated bought a whopping $11.3 million worth of their own stock. This usually signals that they believe the company is doing well and has a bright future. If you're trying to decide between the MSCI World Index and the FTSE All-World Index, here's a quick tip. The MSCI World doesn't include emerging markets, which are countries that are still developing. So, if you want a broader view that includes those, you might want to look at the FTSE All-World instead. Lastly, JP Morgan just raised their price target for MSCI shares from $680 to $700, which is a good sign that they think the stock will keep growing. It's like when your favorite restaurant gets a glowing review, you might feel more confident about dining there. So, in a nutshell, MSCI is getting some positive attention, and it's worth keeping an eye on if you're interested in investing. Remember, investing can be risky, so keep a long-term mindset. Make sure you're not using money you might need soon. Chapter 5, Quick Financial Lesson. When it comes to saving money, it's easy to focus on just getting by, paying bills and buying groceries. But what if you could save for something bigger? Establishing goals that matter can help you save for freedom, not just survival. Imagine Sarah, a young professional who always felt like she was living paycheck to paycheck. One day, she decided to change her mindset. Instead of just saving for rent and groceries, she set a goal to travel to Europe. This dream motivated her to create a budget and cut back on unnecessary expenses, like that daily coffee run. As Sarah saved, she felt empowered. Each dollar she put away brought her closer to her dream. She realized that saving wasn't just about surviving, it was about creating opportunities for herself. To establish your own meaningful goals, think about what truly excites you. Is it a dream vacation, a new car, or maybe a home? Write down your goals and break them into smaller, achievable steps. Here's a simple tip: start with a freedom fund. Set aside a small amount each month dedicated to your goals. Over time, you'll see your savings grow, and you'll be one step closer to living the life you want. Remember, saving for freedom can be just as important as saving for survival. Chapter 6, Summary and Personal Investment Strategy. As we wrap up today's video, let's quickly recap the key points we covered. We started with some exciting news highlights, focusing on major players like Alphabet Incorporated, Google. We discussed why Google, the parent company of Google, stands out as a fantastic investment choice right now. Next, we explored market insights, particularly the importance of using a stop-loss order to protect your investments by automatically selling a stock if its price drops to a certain level. This strategy can help you manage risk effectively. We also touched on the benefits of diversifying your portfolio through ETFs, likening it to sampling a variety of delicious dishes. This approach allows you to experience different sectors without putting all your eggs in one basket. In our finance lesson, we emphasize the importance of not just getting by with your finances but actively saving and investing for your future. Remember, every little bit counts. Now, for my personal investment strategy. Today, I'm adding $15 to my MSCI World Index investment and experimenting with $10 in a fractional share of our suggested best buy pick, Alphabet Incorporated, Google, both with 101 leverage. This demonstrates the importance of cautious and diversified investing. As always, I encourage you to do your own research, test out different strategies, and consult with a financial advisor to tailor your approach to your unique situation. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us reach more people and ensures you don't miss out on future episodes filled with practical financial tips and insights tailored just for you. We'd love to hear your thoughts, whether it's topics you want us to cover, questions you have, or feedback on today's video. Your input helps us create content that meets your needs and builds a stronger community where we can all learn and grow together. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next episode.